Hello everyone, I just received my new Lenovo Miix 520 laptop from Lazada, Malaysia. It came in this large box with bubble wraps. It's just small laptop, 12.2 inch Miix Miix. Okay, so this is the box. Here we have the keyboard. Comes in a soft, some kind of fabric sleeve or bag. Okay, so this is the back and the keyboard. It is a backlit keyboard, and this is the tablet. Yeah, it's quite light. It is 880 grams. Okay, so what comes in the box also, we have the manual, some English and Chinese, probably the warranty. This is the support for the pen that connects to the USB port. This is the charger with the pen connector, and it comes with the pen with the battery. I don't think they include the battery. This is quadruple A battery. Okay, what else comes here? Let's see. Okay, so it didn't include the battery in the pen. You have to buy separately. And this is the tablet portion. Yeah, quite reflective. Okay. Yeah, I'll take it to my office and review it.